How to resolve the unsupported OS error in Fortnite. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can resolve or what is the main reason behind the unsupported operating system or the unsupporting OS error that you receive in your Fortnite game. So the main reason that you receive this particular error is that you have installed Fortnite in a 32-bit operating system rather than a 64-bit operating system. So this happens when your Windows is actually a 34-bit operating system, but Fortnite requires your Windows to be at least 64-bit of OS. So how you can check which particular operating system is installed in your computer. So you can check that by simply going to the settings of your Windows computer. You can click right here on the taskbar and from here go to settings. And now within the settings, you simply click onto the system and from here click on to the scroll bar and from here click on to the about button. Now within here you can see that here is my device specifications, and if you see the system type, it is a 64-bit operating system based on a 64 based processor. So this means my operating system as well as my processor is a 64-bit system. But in your case, if your operating system is 34-bit and your processor is a 64-bit based processor, then you can easily upgrade your Windows to a 64-bit operating system as well. But however, if your processor is a 32-bit processor, then unfortunately you have no other option but to switch to a better 64-bit hardware. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.